25 centuries, Western knowledge has tried to look upon the world. It has failed to understand that the world is not for the beholding. It is for hearing. It is not legible, but audible. Today, our sight is dim. It no longer sees our future, having constructed a present made of abstraction, nonsense, and science. Better understand where the folly of men and their calculation is leading us, and what hopes it is still possible to have.
As I puff, I notice that it's chilling me softly with this charm, blocking out the engines and pollution. City life, finally a logical solution. Blaming each other so they screaming at the top of their lungs. Everybody's at the very first rung of the ladder. Best watch your step. Rotten wood is never good, so don't surpass your depth. Best to equip yourself.
언제도 있으면 on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back. I don't them money, take them my all of penalty. 잔나시 gonna topic right, got all of the fool. I didn't know that about my bottle being fat. Under the rim, judge your bit. Oh, 들으면 네 왜 명부터 비하고 뻑뻑 숨을 거만 무슨 건지 포인트.
Every single day when I sit down to pray, I gotta plead to God, begging him to change my way. Day to day, manic depression. My reflection shows me nothing but a Smith & Wesson. Sitting in my hand, pointed to my head at the temple. Close range, situations like a check payment. No change, everything is looking strange. All around me even got me thinking I'm deranged. It astounds me.